Welcome students. We can discuss about Noyori annihilation. Noyori annihilation is a method to construct carbocycles with odd number of carbon atoms. In this reaction, an alpha-alpha dash dibromo-ketone reacts with substituted alkenes, dienes or enamines in presence of Fe2CO9 catalyst to form cyclic ketones. Now we can see some examples for this Noyori annihilation. Now here, in this case, this alpha-alpha dash dibromo ketone reacts with a diene in presence of this catalyst to form a cycloheptenone. Now in the second case, a substituted alkene reacts with this ketone to form cyclopentanone. Now here an enamine reacts to form cyclopentanone. Now regarding the mechanism of the reaction, the first step is the formation of an enolate by the reaction between alpha-alpha dash dibromo ketone and Fe2CO9. Now the catalyst is di-iron nona-carbonyl complex, and here iron is in the zero oxidation state. In presence of this catalyst, this ketone undergoes a 2-electron reduction, or this zero-valent iron donates 2 electrons to this carbon, and that will facilitate the removal of bromine as Br minus, and a negative charge is developed in this carbon, leads to the formation of an enolate. And the enolate is an allylic system, and this allylic bromide then undergoes SN1 type dissociation, forming an allyl carbocation. And this allyl carbocation is stabilized by resonance. And the negative charge on oxygen is masked by ferrous iron. So the reactive species is a simple allylic cation bearing oxygen function at the central sp2 carbon. The allyl carbocation, as we know, is resonance stabilized, and also electron with donating groups at the terminal carbons also stabilize the cation. So it is observed that simple alpha-alpha dash dibromoacetone cannot answer this reaction. This oxyallyl carbocation is a reactive species and can cycloadd to substituted alkenes, dienes, or enamines, giving carbocycles in good yield. Now, in this case, a substituted alkene is added to this allyl carbocation. In presence of this cation, the pi bond polarizes in this direction, and the negative end is attached to the positive carbon of this allyl carbocation, resulting in the formation of a Zwitter ion intermediate, that is, negative and positive charges in the same species. This new carbocation is stabilized by this electron donating substituent Y. Then this Zwitter ion intermediate undergo annihilation reaction by electron transfer in this direction. And the product is a cyclopentanone. Now, regarding the application of Noyori annihilation. Noyori annihilation is an effective method to prepare ring systems with odd number of carbon atoms which are otherwise difficult to form. And the production of 5 and 7 membered rings are important as they are present in many natural products. So this reaction is of great importance in organic synthesis. Thank you.